Ever wondered where your favorite wine comes from? You're not alone. The world is a vast vineyard, brimming with diverse wine-producing regions. Each region, with its unique climate, soil, and tradition, crafts wines that are as varied and complex as the landscapes from which they spring. From the sun-drenched valleys of California to the terraced vineyards of Portugal, each region lends its distinctive touch to the wines it produces. Imagine sipping a robust red from Bordeaux or a crisp Sauvignon Blanc from Marlborough and experiencing not just a drink, but a taste of the land and culture that crafted it. It's a journey of flavors, a tour de force of the senses. So uncork your curiosity and prepare your palate, because we are about to embark on a global wine adventure. Are you ready to discover the top 10 wine-producing regions in the world? Let's start the countdown. Starting off our list at number 10 is Rheingau, Germany. This region, nestled along the romantic Rhine River, is a wine lover's paradise. Its lush, sloping vineyards are renowned for producing one of the world's most celebrated white wines, the Riesling. The Riesling grape, with its versatile nature, thrives in the Rheingau's unique terroir, creating wines that are nothing short of exceptional. Each sip of a Rheingau Riesling is a delightful exploration of flavors, from crisp apple to zesty lime, balanced with a delicate minerality that's characteristic of the region. But it's not just about the taste. Part of the charm of Rheingau lies in its rich wine heritage, a tradition of winemaking that goes back centuries. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or a casual enthusiast, Rheingau offers a unique wine experience with its exceptional Rieslings. Next up on our list at number 9 is Marlborough, New Zealand. This enchanting region, nestled in the northeastern corner of the South Island, is a wine lover's paradise. It's a place where the magic of winemaking truly comes to life, and the star of the show? Sauvignon Blanc. Marlborough has made a name for itself as the home of the world's most exhilarating Sauvignon Blancs. These wines are celebrated for their unique, vibrant, and crisp characteristics, a testament to the region's cool climate. Imagine a wine that dances on your palate with notes of passion fruit, ripe citrus, and a hint of fresh-cut herbs. That's Marlborough's Sauvignon Blanc for you. The region's cool, maritime climate and lengthy growing season allow the grapes to mature slowly, developing intense, expressive flavors that are distinctively Marlborough. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or a curious novice, Marlborough's Sauvignon Blanc is a must-try for wine lovers. Coming in at number 8 is Stellenbosch, South Africa. Nestled between rugged mountains and the azure waters of the South Atlantic, Stellenbosch is a wine lover's paradise. This sun-drenched region is known for its diverse varietals, with over 140 vineyards dotting the landscape. It's a place where the old-world charm of traditional viticulture meets the innovative spirit of the New World. The region's unique terroir, influenced by the ocean breeze and rich, fertile soil, yields an impressive range of wines. From robust, full-bodied Cabernet Sauvignon to the delicate, aromatic Chenin Blanc, each bottle is an expression of the land from which it sprung. The winemakers here continually challenge themselves, experimenting with different grape varieties and winemaking techniques, all in the pursuit of crafting the perfect wine. Stellenbosch is not just a region, it's a journey of discovery for the senses. So here's to Stellenbosch, where each glass offers a unique blend of old and new in its wines. At number 7 on our list, we have Douro Valley, Portugal. This enchanting region is a wine lover's paradise, renowned worldwide for its exceptional port wines. The terraced vineyards of Douro Valley, sculpted by centuries of hard work, are a sight to behold. But it's not just the stunning landscape that makes this region special. The unique terroir of Douro Valley, shaped by its microclimate and schistous soils, gives birth to wines that are as complex as they are delicious. The grape varieties grown here, such as Touriga Nacional and Tinta Roriz, contribute to the rich and diverse palette of flavors found in Douro's wines. Port, the region's flagship wine, is a fortified sweet wine that is often enjoyed as a dessert or aperitif. Its rich, fruity flavors, combined with its velvety texture and lingering finish, make it a delightful treat for the palate. Douro Valley's port wines are a testament to the region's winemaking tradition and the passion of its people. Douro Valley's port wines are a delightful treat for the palate. Before continuing to our list, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Coming in at number 6 is Barossa Valley, Australia. Located in the heart of South Australia, this wine region is a paradise for Shiraz lovers. The valley's warm climate, paired with its ancient soils, creates an ideal environment for Shiraz, also known as Syrah, to thrive. The Barossa Valley Shiraz is known for its robust and rich character. The wines produced here are deeply colored, with intense flavors of blackberry, plum, and pepper. These wines also often feature enticing hints of chocolate and spice, thanks to the oak aging process that most Barossa Valley winemakers employ. But it's not just about the flavors. The Shiraz from Barossa Valley is also highly appreciated for its velvety texture and substantial body. These wines are bold and full-bodied, offering a satisfying depth that lingers on the palate. Whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or someone who simply enjoys a good glass of red, Barossa Valley's Shiraz offers a robust flavor that wine lovers will surely enjoy. Next up on our list at number 5 is Rioja, Spain. Nestled in the heart of the country, this region is a beacon of Spanish viticulture, renowned for its signature grape, Tempranillo. With a lineage tracing back thousands of years, the Tempranillo grape is deeply woven into the fabric of Rioja's history, capturing the essence of the region in each bottle. But Rioja isn't just a relic of the past. It's a region that embodies a perfect balance of tradition and innovation. While the winemakers honor their heritage, crafting wines with time-honored methods, they also embrace modern techniques, constantly pushing the boundaries of what Riojan wine can be. This fusion of old and new yields wines that are rich, complex, and distinctly Spanish. From the vineyard to the glass, every step in the Riojan winemaking process tells a story of heritage, of passion, and of a relentless pursuit of excellence. Rioja's Tempranillo is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Coming in at number 4 is Mendoza, Argentina. Nestled at the foot of the Andes, this region is the beating heart of Argentina's wine industry. The name Mendoza has become synonymous with the Malbec grape, a variety that has found its true home in the high-altitude vineyards of this stunning area. These vineyards, some reaching altitudes of over 3,000 feet, bask in an abundance of sunlight, creating the perfect conditions for the Malbec grape to thrive. The result is a wine that is as captivating and varied as the region's landscapes. The Malbec of Mendoza is known for its deep, dark color and intense fruity flavors. Expect a full-bodied experience with notes of blackberry, plum, and black cherry, often accompanied by a hint of cocoa. The altitude and the unique soil composition give Mendoza's Malbec its distinct character and exceptional quality. Mendoza's Malbec is a delightful experience for the senses. At number 3 on our list, we have Tuscany, Italy. Nestled in the heart of Italy, Tuscany is a wine lover's dream. This region is the proud home of 2 of Italy's most celebrated wines, Chianti and Brunello. Chianti, with its ruby red hue and vibrant acidity, is a classic Italian wine that pairs beautifully with a wide array of dishes. Its flavors of tart cherry, tomato, and red plum are balanced by a hint of earthiness, making it a favorite among wine enthusiasts. On the other hand, Brunello, crafted from the Sangiovese grape, is a rich, full-bodied wine with a remarkable aging potential. It offers a complex bouquet of red and black fruit, leather, and spices, a true delight for the palate. These wines, like the Tuscan landscape itself, are bold and iconic, each telling a story of the region's rich history and tradition. Tuscan wines, with their bold and iconic flavors, are a must-try for any wine lover. Coming in at number 2 is Napa Valley, USA. Nestled in the heart of California, this picturesque region is a haven for wine enthusiasts across the globe. Napa Valley stands tall as a testament to the American dream, transforming itself from an unknown entity to a world leader in viticulture in just over half a century. It's here that the magic of winemaking comes to life, with the valley's fertile soil and idyllic climate nurturing some of the finest Cabernet Sauvignon and Chardonnay grapes. The wines produced here are celebrated for their bold flavors, intricate layers, and remarkable consistency. The Cabernet Sauvignon, with its robust character and complex notes, is a true reflection of the valley's spirit. On the other hand, Napa's Chardonnay enchants with its delicate balance of crisp acidity and rich, buttery undertones. From the rolling vineyards to the exquisite wines they produce, Napa Valley is a destination that captivates the senses. Napa Valley's wines are world-class and a must-try for any wine enthusiast. And finally, at number 1 we have Bordeaux, France. This region is a shining star in the world of viticulture, renowned far and wide for its exquisite red blends. The wines of Bordeaux are a symphony of flavors, marrying the robustness of Cabernet Sauvignon with the supple softness of Merlot. These blends, often accompanied by Cabernet Franc, Petit Verdot, and Malbec, epitomize elegance and complexity. They are a testament to the region's rich history and mastery of winemaking. The palate of a Bordeaux red is a tantalizing dance of dark fruit flavors, underscored by undertones of earthy spice and velvety tannins. Each bottle is a love letter to the region's diverse terroir, from the gravelly soils of the left bank to the clay and limestone of the right bank. Bordeaux, with its elegant and complex red blends, tops our list of the best wine-producing